What's up guys, welcome back. Today we are installing the lasfit 2-door floor mat set. On our last trip to the Badlands, one of our factory floor mats got left at the car wash. We won't put blame on anybody, but Kourtney bought me these for Valentine's Day. So we used our friend from Bird Dog Off-Road Adventures code, BirdDog10, to save 10% on the website, and you should do the same. So let's take a look and see what comes in the box. Alright, so first up, the new cargo mat. And we got the rear seat piece. Now from the factory Ford ones are 2 pieces, and this one is 1 solid piece. Then we got the driver's side. And we got the passenger side, which is our missing piece. So we can go ahead and compare the driver's side one to the factory one. Can't do the passenger side because that's the one that's missing. So here is the lasfit version versus the Ford floor mat. As you can see, it's actually quite a bit larger. We should get more coverage. The lip in the back, where my back of my muddy feet would be covering, goes up higher, and we have a better lip all the way around up here at the top too. I also get a lot of mud on my carpet up here from my muddy boots right where the gas pedal is versus being covered with this one. So we can go ahead and put the cargo mat in. I don't have one from the factory at all, so this is going to be a nice upgrade. Just slide it on in. Perfect fit. More plate back in, and we should be good to go back here. Alright, we can go ahead and put the back piece in. Now again, the ones from Ford are a 2-piece set, and that leaves room for gunk and crap to get underneath. This is a 1-piece set, which I like a lot more. Wow, that fits in there really good. And it goes up under the seat further, so somebody's ends of their shoes actually stop from going up underneath. Get this pressed down into place. It fits pretty good. Nice and snug. Alright, I'm going to slide the seat back here. Put the passenger side in. Again, nice clean fit. Looks good. The last factory mat out. And as you can see, it doesn't come up and cover the carpet that's up here by the gas pedal. So when I have muddy boots on from off-roading and touch the gas pedal, mud gets up here on this carpet still too, so you have to have that cleaned. So out with that one. And in with the new one. And see how much more coverage you get up on the end. This was all exposed before, where I get all the majority of my mud. Looks pretty good. Alright guys, so that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. If you so kindly, hit the like button down below. That really helps us out. Thanks to Kourtney for hooking me up with these awesome floor mats. They're a lot better than the ones that come from Ford. And if you are interested in a set of your own, make sure to use Bird Dog Off-Road Adventures code to get 10% off, BirdDog10 at checkout. Thanks guys, have a good one.